When I saw Doechii's makeup look for the Met Gala for 2025, I really wanted to see if I could recreate this look on my own at home. So today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated this look. First, I started out using white face paint to sketch out the shape that we wanted. I went ahead and just tried to recreate the LV that she had, but you could use any shape you want for this. I'm not sure if this is the same process that they did for her look. Hers looks a little bit more like they may have manufactured something to put on her face. The edges of the shape look a little bit more square, like maybe they 3D printed it and then adhered it to her face later on, but this is the way I found to do it at home. Then once we have the shape for the logo, I'm using Mehron's liquid latex. To create the raised effect, I'm going over this with the glue, going right on top of the logo, then letting it dry completely and then doing the process over and over again. I did this process about 5 times until I felt like it looked raised enough. Then I covered it with a fine powder, and then went over that with a foundation shade that matched my skin tone, and patted that in with a beauty blender. And topped that with a translucent powder. And that completes this monogram logo kind of raised scar makeup look. I really like this look, and you can do it with any shape you want. At the end, you'll see I added some stars and a heart. It's very easy to customize this to whatever letters or shapes you want.